how I got this Priyanka Chopra makeup look? Then just keep on watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start out with to get this Priyanka Chopra look going on, the e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. What was your favorite dress at the Met Gala? Did you like Rihanna as the Pope? Did you like Kim Kardashian? I was originally going to do a Kim Kardashian makeup tutorial, but everybody has already jumped on that bandwagon, so I figured, why not do Priyanka? She looked beautiful at the Met Gala, and her makeup was stunning. 24 karat rose gold drops, concentrating especially on the eyes and the upper cheekbones. Y6 brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to pat that into my skin. I'm with two foundations for this look. My Too Faced Born This Way in the color Caramel, and I am going in with my Kat Von D Lock It in color number 62. Gives the best finish, but it's medium coverage. Even buildable, I can only get it to a medium, but it's amazing. Sometimes I only need medium coverage. But for these acne spots that I got brewing around here, I'm going to have to use a little bit of Kat Von D. I'm going to put 3 pumps of the Too Faced, because that's what I want the most of on my skin. And just a little tiny, I mean, look at that. Just that of the Kat Von D. Found on my hand. And then I'm going to stipple it into my face. Not forgetting about the neck. Look at that. Already my blemishes are practically gone. I get breakouts if I eat chocolate, though. I've noticed that. I've been keeping a journal, which I suggest some of you guys and gals do. Keep a journal if you're having breakouts. What we're going to do is, you know, my favorite setting spray. It's almost gone. In the arms of an angel. From about this far away. And then we're going to go back in with the brush and stipple. I'm going to go in with none other than the Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder. Real Techniques powder brush. Look at how big that brush is. Put the tiniest amount possible. Swirl it around and then look, tap it. I don't want a lot of powder. Make sure we buff that in. Call me crazy and OCD, but we're going to go back in and give it one more spritz. I'm going to do my brows off camera, but I am going to put on my brows off camera to spare you guys a very lengthy video. All right? I'll be right back. I love you guys. Right back. With the NYX Conceal Corrector, and it's...
I just line it up. Since we're going to be extra today, we're going to go above. I never halo my brows, but I'm going...
We're going to be going into the contour because I want to do the eyes last for you guys, because her eyes was the biggest part of her makeup look, you know, in the picture. Trusty TJ Maxx brush, Corn Tears bronzer for my contour. Just like that. To the tip of the ear and down. And bringing it up to her forehead with this Real Techniques brush and just feather it up. Shape Tape in the color Neutral to conceal the following. I am going to do a line right here. And if you watch me a lot, you know the drill on the eyelids, because we're going to use that as a double up for primer. Blend that all in with our Morphe G2 concealer brush. Blend down, don't go above the line you created. 439. And this is really gonna blend it out. I use the G2 for more precise blending, but now I really wanna get it blended so it's one with my regular skin and not having any lines. Morphe G2 or any brush that looks just like this. I didn't have Morphe brushes in the beginning. Too Faced setting powder. Put some in the tray again. Be sure that right before you're about to dip your brush into the tray that you go one more time just like this so you don't have any creasing without any powder. Okay? And then we're going to go in and lay that powder there. I am going to bake today, and we're going to bake the sides of our nose. Let that sit for a minute. Morphe M438 brush, and I'm dusting all that powder off. Powder. Ah. We're going to spray that so that the powder is one with the skin. Okay, the Colourpop Fun with Friends from the Hello Kitty collection. Let me swatch it for you guys. It's very creamy, like just like their Super Shock highlighters. And I am going to just, it feels very wet. Brush that I got from Amazon. And I'm just gonna go right above that contour. I'm not gonna focus too much here. You see what I'm doing? Here's the real trick, because I'm not going to pour more powder. I'm going to take what was left over from before and just use it to blend in that blush and contour. You like that tip, don't ya? Don't ya? Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Okay, let's stop. Jacklyn Hill palette for the start of it. Just a fluffy, any fluffy transition brush will do. Right here. You guys see that? Bring it right here, right above my crease. Just keep blending, just keep blending. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Sorry if you guys hear noise, the garbage man is picking up the garbage and they're looking through my window like weirdo. Like right in front of me is a vanity, right? Like literally looking in my window. Can you nuts? That's done, we laid down our transition shade. This, if you guys go back in and look at her picture, you're gonna see she had this very rosy maroon. Blend it out. Gosh, the beads from this robe that I put on are getting ran over by my chair. And we're just gonna blend this out. We want it to be soft. We can take it down a little to the crease, don't worry. I feel like I have to blend this out a little. In real light, it looks amazing. Like when I look in my mirror right here, it looks good. But here, it looks so bright for you guys. If you guys watch one of my videos, you're gonna know. This Luxie double-sided brush. I like to lay down the shadows and then blend. Probably because I use two different brushes. They're married! Put it on the lid because we're going over that anyways. I'm going to tap into the transition color one more time to soften that crease. It's going to just soften it up. It's like more like a foil, not a shimmer. Okay? Don't worry, guys. I'll put the names of the shadows in the description box below. You know the drill. We're just going to blend that on our lid. That is a beautiful cranberry color. The picture, she didn't have any wing liner, which is shocking. But I'm here to copy her look, so I won't use any wing liner either. But what she did have was gold. And she had the gold in the inner corner. This is by Hard Candy, $3. Pencil, supposedly water. In the arms of an angel. Ripperinos. Just take a moment to bid farewell to the remnants of this pencil. I have two golds right here. See, you don't even know the difference. But I don't think that's Met Gala enough. So you know what I'm gonna do? Work, 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 work. Yes, we are gonna go right into the corner with this little tiny precision brush. And we're gonna pop that bad boy right there. Went in with this Morphe E36. And did you guys know when you put powder in your waterline on top of a pencil that it actually makes your waterline stay, like pencil stay on all day. It seals it. We'll take the leftover and we'll go into the brow bone. Best part. So just look up her picture on Google. She had a glitter overlay on top. Stila glitter eyeshadows. I'm going to see which one I think mimics the most like it. The winner. This looks like what she had on her eyes. Do not crease. They do not budge. I wore them in the Florida heat. Can you guys, like, do you see that? Over our entire lid. Don't worry, we'll buff it out in the sun and forget about it. You're glistening from 17,000 miles away. Here's the other ones if you just want to see them. Do you guys, like, can you see that? Isn't that stunning? And we're just going to separate that. I mean, it literally looked just like this. We'll put mascara on last because we got to put on highlighters. So I don't like to spray and then the mascara gets everywhere and I'm not beat for that. Do you guys see that? I look like the kid from Little Rascals. Into this glow kit, the ultimate. If you guys want me to swatch the palette, leave a comment in the comment section. How beautiful is that? You know, that is beautiful. I don't think you guys can really see how gorgeous that is. Look how big that brush is. humidity. This is the Urban Decay Chill, and it gives you a cooling sensation as well. This is perfect for summer, and I am running out. I have to get out and get that. Maybe Mother's Day idea. Lost by Colourpop. We're going to give it a shade. Yep, that's perfect. And though, speaking of falsies, with the Maybelline, the Falsies Volume Express. Curl my lashes just for you guys. I never curl them. I don't even know why I bought these. I have 2 of them and I never use them. What I think it is, 8th or 7th grade, I was just starting my love for makeup. And I clip my skin with this. And this is like a weapon. Right, that's curled enough. If anybody asks me what part I hate the most about makeup, putting on makeup, it's definitely the mascara part. It's so annoying. All right, there we go. Now we're seeing something. You better work, mascara. Hello. This is the finished look. Take a good look at the eyes. They look pretty good, don't they? The contour's looking right. Leave me a comment down below about your favorite Met Gala outfit. I really would love to know. Until the next video, be your best you. I love you guys.